I'm working on the lift gate, or we call it tailgate, and removing all this plastic trim inside of it. And this is my first time working on INFINITI QX60, and that's the handle area that I'm showing. And then once you remove it, you pry it, and that's the parts. I'm showing you the parts inside on the handle when you want to close it manually. And so more focus on the just the handle. Then pull the lower plastic towards you, and it's kind of hard, but you just have to do it like one at a time. And then for the light, you just have to just press a button in the middle and then pull it out. So this is how it looks like for the light. And those are the pins in the back, like 4. So when you pull it out, just pull like towards you. And this is how it looks like in the whole wall. And the pins and the motor for the wiper and the other all the way to the end. So this is how it looks like, the pins in the back. So hopefully it will help you out on how to remove it. And there's this side right here. Just have to pull up. That's the one that I'm focusing on, because sometimes it's gonna get stuck on the other end. So just go inside and pull up right in this area. So just pull it towards you. So this is how it looks like, the wiper motor, the metal. The reason why I pull it out, because I'm gonna place the butyl sound deadening, and the on top of that I'm gonna place the foam, compact foam. So that's how it looks. The plastic, when I remove it, that's what it looks like. And from the inside, you can see the butyl, the blue one, and the one on the other side. The one in the middle is built in by the INFINITI. So after placing the blue, I added the on top of it the compact foam, so it will absorb the noise. And then right in the middle of the metal, I placed the like 2 square inch was this foam, and then you just have to pull it back. So this is a INFINITI QX60. Hope it helps.